Who is the founder of Brahma Samaj? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Who is the founder of Brahma Samaj? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Which sanctuary was known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary earlier? Which sanctuary was known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary earlier? Answer: Kiladio Bird Sanctuary. Evolution theory was given by. Evolution theory was given by. Answer: Charles Darwin. The only bird which can fly in backward direction. The only bird which can fly in backward direction. Answer: Hummingbird. What is light pen? Answer: Input device. Who had defined the concept of ecosystem? Answer: Arthur. Who had defined the concept of ecosystem? Answer: Arthur Townsley. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Answer: stapes. Who was the father of Subhash Chandra Bose? Who was the father of Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer: Janaki Nath Bose. Who gave the way for chemical symbols in modern time used by us? Answer: Berzelius. Example for noble element. Answer: silver. Most densely populated city of Australia is? Answer: Melbourne. Which is second most speaking language? Answer: Spanish. Thomas Cup belongs to which sport? Answer: badminton. Which is the largest mammal? Answer: blue whale. Who was the Chief Justice of India in 2016? Answer: T.S. Thakur. Who was the Indian mathematician? Answer: Bhaskara. Example for chemical reaction. Answer: neutralization. Indian Institute of Sciences is located at? Answer: Bangalore. The word equinox stands for? Answer: same time period of day and night. What is the unit of life? Answer: cell. Robert Galbraith is known as which name? Answer: J.K. Rowling. Which game has been removed from Olympics? Answer: baseball. What is LAN in computer language? Answer: local area network. Which river emerged from Western Ghat? Answer: Krishna. Where is the head office of ONGC? Answer: Delhi. Mariana Trench is situated in which of the ocean? Answer: the Pacific Ocean. Which city planned according to Vastu Shastra? Answer: Chandigarh. Which process is responsible to generate solar energy in the sun? Answer: nuclear fusion. What is the another name of Chanakya? Answer: Vishnugupta. What is the blood color of octopus? Answer: blue color. Who was the first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer: Devika Rani. Famous Titanic ship belongs to which country? Answer: Great Britain. Transportation of water and minerals in a plant is conducted by? Answer: xylem. Which conduct the water cycle on earth? Answer: sun.